How it's going, everyone? I'm Sihas, and in this series, we are going to dive headfirst into the incredible world of database management systems and tackle all the burning questions you have about DBMS. Now, let me give you the lowdown on how this series is gonna roll. Each video focuses on answering a specific question related to DBMS. We'll cover a wide range of topics from fundamentals to more advanced techniques. So in today's video, we'll be tackling the question that's been on many minds: what is database, and provide answers to our question series set 1. Alright, let's break it down. A database is like a super organized and structured collection of data. It's a place where we store information in a systematic way so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and analyzed. Okay, then let's look at our question series set 1. So, this is the question set 1. The data of all the students and teachers of Pinduwa Mahavidyalaya are stored in books. As a result, some data has been destroyed. Therefore, the principal of the school has decided to enter the data of all the students and teachers in the school to computer software. The software was commissioned by AISoft. Assume you work as a software engineer for that company, and the part you are assigned is to create the database. To do this, create a database using the information below. So we have to create the database called SchoolDB and a table called student to store student data, and a table called teacher to store teachers data. So imagine this is the database called SchoolDB. In here we have to create 2 tables. The first one is student table to store student data, and the other one is the teachers table to store teachers data. So this is the question set 1 answer. Let's do it. Alright, let's open HeidiSQL on your PC and get started. Once you open HeidiSQL, you will see an interface where you can enter your username and password. Go ahead and enter your MySQL username and password to login. Now that you logged in, let's create a new database. To do that, go to here and right click and select create new from the menu that appears. Then choose database and click on it. Then a dialog box will pop up where you can enter the details from your new database. So here you can enter your database name. So in our case, our database name is SchoolDB. So let's go and copy it and paste it here. So after entering the name, you can click on the OK or Create button to create the database. So congratulations, you successfully created a database using HeidiSQL. Okay, then let's look at our second question. In here, we have to create a student table. We have some instruction here. So let's create the table. To create it, go to SchoolDB and right click and go to create new and go to table, and here we can give our name for the table. So in here the student, let's copy it and paste it in here, and then the student name is set, and now we have to add columns to our table. So here we have our first column index no, data type vacha, and length is 10. So copy the column name and paste it here and change data type to vacha, and change length to 10. So okay, then let's create the second column. Go to add, copy the second column name, first name, Vacha, length is 45. Go to HeidiSQL and paste it. Data type is Vacha, length is 45. Okay, and create the third column. The third column name is last name, Vacha, and 45 length. Paste it, Vacha 45 length. Okay, the last column is address column. The data type is Vacha and length is 60. Okay, now we have to press save button and okay, we create the student table. So we can see our table data from here. Our index no, first name, last name, gender, contact no, address. Okay, now let's go to our third question. Create a table called teacher to store teacher's data. Follow the instruction below to create this table. Like the student table, go to school DB, right click, go to create new table and enter the name. After that, go to add columns, and the first column is teacher ignore, copy it, and data type is Vacha, length is 10. Paste it, change data type to Vacha and set length to 10. Okay, then add the second column, first name, let's copy it, and the data type is Vacha and length is 45. Go to here, paste it, Vacha, length change to 45. Okay, then the third column is last name, Vacha, the length is 45. Then the fourth column is the last column is email and data type is Vacha and length is 50. Let's copy the name and paste it, and the data type is Vacha, change the length to 50 and okay. So let's click the save button to create the table. So after that, let's check the columns. Teachers, read no, first name, last name, gender, contact no, and email. So that's it. This is the school DB. So we create the database for Pinduwa Mahavidyalaya. See you in the next video. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on the rest of our DBMS question series.